Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure when you guys can having fun and learn with a drawing. Alright, in today's video we're going to draw dragon fruit. Alright, so let's start. You can have a pencil, crayon and everything you have at home. So let's start to draw a dragon fruit, right? And then at the beginning you need to draw to something like this guys. So you can draw like this, you can following me. So you can draw like this one first, so like this, right? And like this. After that you can go like this, right? Then like this. Okay, you can see like this, right? Then now you can go like this, right? Then this one can from here go like this, right? After that can go like this, right? And then you can go from here like this. Okay, from here like this, right? From here like this, then from here like this, right? Then the next one. Okay, then it's over here like this. All right, okay, then the next one you give some eyes, so just like this, then you just like this again. After that you can give a small eyes, like a small circle here. All right, like this. Then like this again, small circle like this, right? After that you can have some mud like this. Okay, last one, I'm going to give a red color, so like this, then like this. Alright guys, so next one we're going to give color to all the dragon fruit surface, and then I will speed up the process, then you guys can follow the coloring process. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, this is the final result of dragon fruit. So hope you guys learn how to draw dragon fruit, and hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and then see you for the next video. Thank you so much guys, bye bye.